Hi BDNP viewers, I'm Bafo, welcoming you to today's word and expression of the week. Lock up. Forget not to talk about something or take it seriously. There are some things that are not worth remembering if one is jilted, duped, lied to, robbed, ripped off. For example, one will not want to remember such episodes. The phrasal verb lock up in Nigerian Pidgin English means to forget about a situation or not to talk about it anymore or take it seriously. Check out these examples. Lock up that matter. I no wan hear am again. Lock am up, abeg. Another common synonym for lock up in Nigerian Pidgin English is bone. I'm not talking about the bone in someone's body, but an expression which means to forget about something. For example, bone that teen. Bone that babe, she know what time. You still dey vex? Bone. Guys, that's the wrap up for today. See you guys on another edition of Word and Expression for the week on BDNP. Pieces in. Ciao, ciao.